Let's learn about this and these and that and those. In previous section, we already learned about what is when we use this and when we use these. So let's revise. Now, this is one boy and this is hut. So the boy want to tell about to his friend about the hut. So what he say? This is a hut. Now, same boy, and the number of huts are 2. That is more than 1. So what he say? These are huts. So what we learn? When we use this, we use this to show one object which is near to us. That is, when the name of anything is singular, we use this is. Now about these are. We use these are to show more than one object which is near to us. That is, for plural thing, we use these are. Next, now see. Same thing, the boy and the hut is near to him. So tell me what he say? Correct. This is a hut. And now the boy, same boy. Number of hut is 1, but the hut is far from him. So what he say? That is a hut. So you understand? He say that is a hut because hut is far from him. So what we learn now? When we use this to show the object which is near to us. And about that is. We use that is to show one object which is far from us. This is for near and that is for far. Anything which is near to you, you use this is. And when anything which is far from you, use that is. That is okay. Now next. Now same boy and the hut is far from him. So tell me what he say? Correct. That is a hut. And now the same boy, but the number of huts are 1, 2. That is more than 1. So what he says? Those are huts. So you understand? When we use those, when the object is far from you, but more than 1 in number. So when we use that is, we use that is to show one object or one thing which is far from you. And opposite to this, those. The object which is far from you and more than 1 in number. That is, which is plural. So you use those are. We use those are to show more than one thing which is far from you, or far from us. So for singular, we use that is, and for plural, we use those are. Now, let's take a practical example. Now the boy is standing and below the tree. So what he say about and he want to describe the picture, describe the environment. So now first, what about tree? This is a tree because tree is near to him and 1 in number. So he say this is a tree. Now about these flowers. About the flowers. So he says, these are flowers. Why these? Because flowers are near to him, but it is more than one in number. It is plural thing of flower, that is flowers. So he says, these are flowers. These are flowers. Now, next, about that coconut tree. About the coconut tree. So he says, that is a tree, or that is a coconut tree. Because the tree is far from him, and which is one in number. So he says that is a tree. Now next, about the huts. Huts are 1, 2, that is more than one in number, and which is far from him. So he says those are huts. So he says those are huts because it is more than one in number and which is far from him. So you understand? If the thing is near to you and one in number, use this is. If the thing is near to you and more than one in number, use these. If the thing is near to you and far from you and one in number, use that. And the thing far from you and more than one in number, use these. Sorry, those. Now, the boy is in park and he wants to describe about the park. So what about this girl? This is a girl. Now about the swing. These are swings because swings are 2 in number. Next about sun. That is the sun. That is the sun because sun is 1 in number and which is far from him or far from us. Now about the flying birds. The birds are far from him and more than 1 in number. So he says, those are birds. So he says, those are birds. Okay, so you understand the things? Let's take one worksheet. And now you tell me or you describe the things. First, tell me about the pink butterfly. What is the color of butterfly? Pink. So tell me how the boy described the butterfly or show the butterfly. This is a butterfly. Okay, because butterfly is near to him. Next, about the 3 girls or 3 children. Those are children because the children are far from him and more than 1 in number. Now about the bird. That is a bird. Correct. Because bird is far from him and 1 in number. About the house. Same like bird. That is a house because house is far from him and 1 in number. Next about the flower. About flowers. Those are flowers. Those are flowers because it is more than 1 in number and far from him. Next, come here about this cute little flowers. These are flowers because these are more than 1 in number and near to him. Next, this butterfly, sorry, honeybee. This is a honeybee because honeybee is near to him and 1 in number. Next, the orange butterflies. These are butterflies because these butterflies are near to him. So he's and 2 in number. So he says these are butterflies. So hope children, you understand the concept of this, these, that, and those. When we use for the singular thing, we use this and that. And for plural thing, we use these and those. Okay, keep learning, keep practicing. See this video once again, and the concepts will be clear to you. Till then, keep practicing. We will come back with next topic. Bye-bye. Keep watching our channel, Rise and Shine, from KG to PG and from Stotras to Syntax.